Hello, class. Today we'll be talking about Among Us. Among Us is a game that has recently just taken off in all the news headlines and all through social media. You can find videos of people playing this game, but what exactly is this game? Among Us is a massively multiplayer online game. As you can see here, there's various customizations you can make to your character, and you're able to just kind of do whatever you want in this game. Players are assigned two different roles. First, we'll talk about the crewmate. First, the game is played in complete silence. As a crewmate, you are tasked with going through the ship and just checking things off of your checklist up there in the top left corner. So, right now, I'm heading here to fix some electrical wiring. At the electrical wiring panel, you see I'm just connecting the light colors with each other. And here's another task that you can see me doing. It's a much longer task, and what you can see is that there's a variation here. So with downloading data, you're gonna be stuck in one spot, and that's gonna be very important because as the imposter, this is where the game gets a little bit different. Your goal is one thing and one thing only. You must kill all of the other crewmates. And you have to do it without getting caught. That's because once a dead body is reported, the whole group meets together and y'all just discuss who is and who isn't the imposter. This deliberation can take as long as the game may allow it to. So here, what you will do is the group will discuss where the body was reported and who they believe was the imposter. Folks will get together and vote off one person, and if it is the imposter, the crewmates are closer to their game. But the imposter wants to trick the rest of the crewmates into thinking that they are a normal crewmate and not the imposter, so that they're able to stay here longer. As you can see here, we voted off Itachi. Poor guy. So, how is this game actually relevant to game-based learning? Well, first, what I would like to discuss is that when you are deliberating who is and who isn't the imposter, you are using conflict resolution skills. A 2012 study by Young, Lee Kim, Killen, and Park found that video games are a great way to learn conflict resolution and make sure that children and adults are able to develop those skills. What they were able to do is they quickly found out that their conflict resolution skills, they were able to reconcile with each other, respect authority, learn to just ignore conflict, learn how to retaliate, or how to speak and make sure that folks will be able to get on their side. What they found is that through the use of video games, this skill was developed to a great length. That is developed is executive functions. Executive function encompasses such abilities as planning, organization, set shifting, problem solving, working memory, and decision making. What was found in a 2015 study is that a game that lists out various tasks that one must complete in order improved the executive function of college students. So here you see that I had to figure out how to fix the wiring, divert power, prime the shields, upload data, stabilize steering, and align the engine output, all without getting killed. What this would have to take is building a strategy to make sure that I'm able to hit all of my goals within a organized manner in order to be able to not, die. So, what you can see here is that this game really does impact game-based learning, and there's substantial evidence here that proves that Among Us is a good game for game-based learning purposes.